Hello students. Today we will have a quiz on chapter 12, the human digestive system. Read each question carefully, look at the options, and think of your answer before the timer runs out. Let's get started. What is the primary purpose of respiration in living organisms? Option A, to absorb nutrients. Option B, to release energy. Option C, to produce oxygen. Option D, to synthesize proteins. The correct answer is to release energy. What is the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy? Option A, respiration. Option B, fermentation. Option C, photosynthesis. Option D, glycolysis. The correct answer is photosynthesis. Where does glycolysis occur in the cell? Option A, mitochondria. Option B, chloroplasts. Option C, cytoplasm. Option D, nucleus. The correct answer is cytoplasm. What is the end product of glycolysis? Option A, glucose. Option B, acetyl-CoA. Option C, pyruvic acid. Option D, lactic acid. The correct answer is pyruvic acid. Which of the following processes occurs in the absence of oxygen? Option A, aerobic respiration. Option B, Krebs cycle. Option C, glycolysis. Option D, fermentation. The correct answer is fermentation. What is the net gain of ATP from one molecule of glucose during glycolysis? Option A, 2 ATP. Option B, 4 ATP. Option C, 36 ATP. Option D, 38 ATP. The correct answer is 2 ATP. What is the role of NAD+ in glycolysis? Option A, energy production. Option B, electron acceptor. Option C, carbon source. Option D, ATP synthesis. The correct answer is electron acceptor. What is the main function of the Krebs cycle? Option A, to produce glucose. Option B, to generate ATP. Option C, to oxidize acetyl-CoA. Option D, to synthesize proteins. The correct answer is to oxidize acetyl-CoA. Which molecule is produced during the conversion of pyruvate to acetyl-CoA? Option A, NAD. Option B, FADH2. Option C, ATP. Option D, GTP. The correct answer is NAD. What is the final electron acceptor in aerobic respiration? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, NAD+. Option C, oxygen. Option D, FAD. The correct answer is oxygen. What is oxidative phosphorylation? Option A, ATP synthesis without oxygen. Option B, ATP synthesis linked to electron transport. Option C, conversion of glucose to pyruvate. Option D, fermentation process. The correct answer is ATP synthesis linked to electron transport. What is the respiratory quotient, RQ, for carbohydrates? Option A, 0.7. Option B, 1. Option C, 0.9. Option D, 2. The correct answer is 1. Which enzyme catalyzes the conversion of glucose to glucose 6-phosphate in glycolysis? Option A, hexokinase. Option B, invertase. Option C, pyruvate dehydrogenase. Option D, citrate synthase. The correct answer is hexokinase. What is produced during alcoholic fermentation? Option A, lactic acid. Option B, ethanol. Option C, acetyl-CoA. Option D, glucose. The correct answer is ethanol. Which of the following is not a respiratory substrate? Option A, carbohydrates. Option B, proteins. Option C, fats. Option D, vitamins. The correct answer is vitamins. What is the main purpose of the electron transport system, ETS? Option A, to produce glucose. Option B, to synthesize ATP. Option C, to oxidize NAD. Option D, to reduce oxygen. The correct answer is to synthesize ATP. In which part of the mitochondria does the Krebs cycle occur? Option A, outer membrane. Option B, inner membrane. Option C, intermembrane space. Option D, matrix. The correct answer is matrix. What is the primary function of ATP in the cell? Option A, energy storage. Option B, genetic information. Option C, structural support. Option D, cell division. The correct answer is energy storage. What is the main product of the Krebs cycle? Option A, glucose. Option B, NAD. Option C, oxygen. Option D, carbon dioxide. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. What type of respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen? Option A, aerobic respiration. Option B, anaerobic respiration. Option C, cellular respiration. Option D, photosynthesis. The correct answer is anaerobic respiration. Which of the following is a product of lactic acid fermentation? Option A, ethanol. Option B, carbon dioxide. Option C, lactic acid. Option D, glucose. The correct answer is lactic acid. What is the role of coenzymes in aerobic respiration? Option A, to act as substrates. Option B, to assist enzymes. Option C, to produce ATP. Option D, to store energy. The correct answer is to assist enzymes. What is the significance of stepwise energy release in respiration? Option A, to prevent heat loss. Option B, to maximize energy capture. Option C, to speed up the process. Option D, to reduce oxygen consumption. The correct answer is to maximize energy capture. How many ATP molecules are produced from one molecule of NAD during oxidative phosphorylation? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. The correct answer is 3. Which of the following statements is true about fermentation? Option A, it requires oxygen. Option B, it produces more ATP than aerobic respiration. Option C, it occurs in the cytoplasm. Option D, it only occurs in plants. The correct answer is, it occurs in the cytoplasm. What is the main difference between aerobic respiration and fermentation? Option A, oxygen requirement. Option B, location in the cell. Option C, energy yield. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What is the main product of glycolysis? Option A, glucose. Option B, pyruvic acid. Option C, acetyl-CoA. Option D, lactic acid. The correct answer is pyruvic acid. Which enzyme catalyzes the conversion of succinyl-CoA to succinic acid in the Krebs cycle? Option A, citrate synthase. Option B, succinyl-CoA synthetase. Option C, NAD dehydrogenase. Option D, fumarase. The correct answer is succinyl-CoA synthetase. What is the role of oxygen in aerobic respiration? Option A, to produce glucose. Option B, to act as a substrate. Option C, to accept electrons. Option D, to release energy. The correct answer is to accept electrons. What is the net gain of ATP from fermentation of one glucose molecule? Option A, 2 ATP. Option B, 4 ATP. Option C, 36 ATP. Option D, 38 ATP. The correct answer is 2 ATP. What is the term for the breakdown of glucose in the absence of oxygen? Option A, fermentation. Option B, glycolysis. Option C, Krebs cycle. Option D, oxidative phosphorylation. The correct answer is fermentation. What is produced during the Krebs cycle? Option A, glucose. Option B, pyruvate. Option C, NAD. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is NAD. Which of the following is a characteristic of aerobic respiration? Option A, it occurs in the cytoplasm. Option B, it produces less energy than fermentation. Option C, it requires oxygen. Option D, it does not produce carbon dioxide. The correct answer is, it requires oxygen. What is the role of ATP synthase in cellular respiration? Option A, to transport pyruvate. Option B, to produce ATP. Option C, to oxidize NAD. Option D, to convert glucose to pyruvate. The correct answer is to produce ATP. What is the respiratory quotient, RQ, for fats? Option A, 1. Option B, 0.7. Option C, 0.9. Option D, 2. The correct answer is 0.7. What is the primary energy currency of the cell? Option A, NAD. Option B, FADH2. Option C, ATP. Option D, GTP. The correct answer is ATP. Which process generates the most ATP? Option A, fermentation. Option B, glycolysis. Option C, Krebs cycle. Option D, aerobic respiration. The correct answer is aerobic respiration. What is the fate of pyruvate in the presence of oxygen? Option E, it is fermented. Option B, it is converted to acetyl-CoA. Option C, it is converted to glucose. Option D, it is stored as glycogen. The correct answer is, it is converted to acetyl-CoA. What is the main role of the electron transport chain? Option A, to produce glucose. Option B, to oxidize NAD and FADH2. Option C, to synthesize pyruvate. Option D, to generate ATP directly. The correct answer is to oxidize NAD and FADH2. What is the significance of the amphibolic pathway? Option A, it only breaks down substrates. Option B, it only synthesizes substrates. Option C, it involves both catabolism and anabolism. Option D, it only occurs in plants. The correct answer is, it involves both catabolism and anabolism.